Here's another tutorial on how to enhance and edit the pictures if they are blurry, no? If we grab them somewhere in the internet or it's been sent over the messenger before we post it in our Facebook page or the website itself. So I have here the Photoshop. Basically, I'm going to enhance each photo quickly because our post needed to be posted as soon as possible. Medyo mainit. So we have here the speaker. I think that's not a pleasant picture at all. So let's remove that one. Now this looks good because everybody's active and everybody's uh, greeting each other. So I use the crop tool in Photoshop to adjust it and adjust it with the rule of thirds. Okay, making sure that it's centered. Okay, everything is centered and that's too much ceiling. It's revealed. Press enter. Since the picture quality is good, it's going to try to add saturation by pressing Ctrl U or Command U in the Apple, and plus 8 and not too much saturated. Click on the layer, go to channels, click on the RGB while pressing Ctrl. Okay, now the photo is too dark, so I want to lighten it. We're recording, so I'm going to select now. Once you've done that, the light areas are selected. That's why we have to invert it to the dark areas. That's when you press Ctrl Shift I to invert it. Now the dark areas are selected. Make sure you're still in the same layer, and then press Ctrl J to duplicate the dark areas. Now as you can see, only the dark areas are revealed. Now go to the layer blending option and put on screen to lighten it. As you can see, the photo improved a little bit, like as comparing it before now to its previous form. Now click save as. No, click on file, save as, JPEG, and save. Okay, press OK, close this one, move to the next picture. As you can see here, let's see. So this one looks good, I guess, I suppose. So let's just close that one. And here's another picture that we can feature because the president is there. And let's apply the rule of thirds. Okay, so when we apply the rule of thirds, there are a lot of tutorials regarding rule of thirds. So I'm just going to crop it a bit to adjust the photo. Press enter, control. Now the photo is too dark again. Do the same thing. Control Shift I, Control J, and then screen to lighten the photo and reduce a little bit because it's too light. And then I'm going to select both layers by clicking Shift and then clicking on the other layer. Merge layers, then apply Control U or saturation. And then press OK. So that looks a little bit better. And then save. No, wait a minute. Save as JPEG. And save. Hit OK. And then OK. And then close that one. Move to the next picture. Nah, she doesn't have a pleasant picture. So this is a little bit better. So we'll try to crop this one. Now, wait a minute. Control J to duplicate, and then I'd like to make the one you can see, now the photo is straight. Then we crop it. Now we did not apply the rule of thirds. We cannot apply the rule of thirds here because the photo is ugly to begin with. So should remove that one. Yeah, the photo is ugly to begin with. So you cannot even center it. What we're going to do is, it's better to show the logo. Okay, I should be at the center, so that looks a little bit better. And maybe Control U, saturation, and then I'm going to apply another layer to darken this, to add a vignette block, opacity, and erase tool, make it larger. Okay, and save as. Let's close this one. Doesn't look good. This one is good also, but there's a hat on the table, and that's okay. Let's just try to crop it. The subject is a little bit aback. Never mind. And it's hard. Okay, select that one. RGB, Control by Control J, screen, merge layers, Control U. Okay, look at it. Okay, it's a little bit better. Let's save it. Oh, now that's better because everybody's paying attention. So let's try to center it. I'd like to put her on the center of attraction. Right. And then I just add saturation and a little bit of, if I Control G, Control J, screen, that's too light, so let's reduce the light a little, and then save. JPEG. Close this one. And this one. Have I finished this? The president talking. No, it's not done yet. Control M. Let's try to lighten that by pressing Control M, no? So, then Control U, a little bit of tint, and a little bit of rule of thirds. As you can see, it should be equally divided, so that's okay because it's in that position, and the eye level should be there. Then bring it about a little bit lower. Save as. Okay, close that one. Now we have Ma'am Herminia here speaking. You have to select one picture. Which one is better? That doesn't look good at all. Okay, this is better. Hmm. Let's close this one. This is an essential. So let's control J this one. So this is the only photo where Mom Herminia is talking. So let's align this to make it look straight. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's better. Then maybe nah, this is good. Let's see it here. So it's aligned there, and then make this, make the endpoints like that. Now that's better. Then we crop it. Okay, press enter. Control M. And Control U. So it's revealing a lot of empty spaces. So let's try to remove those chairs. And there's a lot of ceiling. Now it's tight pack. It's better. Click save as JPEG and save. Okay, then let's go back to the photos that we've edited and try to delete. What's the difference of this one and the other one? Okay. It says resource speaker, director Teresita OIC, director to Civil Service Commission FO Kalinga. Let's try to compare these two. We can't repeat two images. Oh, it says welcome. The other says welcome. The other says okay. So let's try to rename. It should be the last. And then should be the oh. It should be the last. No, it should be the first. Now what we have here is this one. Let's delete that because it's duplicate. Now we'll try to see. I don't even like this one. And I think this is a lot better now, except this one. No. Okay. Ma'am Herminia speaking. Yes, let's delete this as well. And I think we're ready to post. Two copies of Sir speaking. So let's delete that as well. And save it. Let's go back to our Facebook page. Let's go to Ma'am Zo. And we copy the description happening now. Oh my goodness. Copy. Okay. This one, remove that one. Put it there. Management office. Try to correct some errors. Okay. Now let's go to bold text. Bold text. Again, let's go to the desktop where we put it. Sir Ronald. So let's place this one. This for the first picture. Okay. Then president. President first. Add photos and images. So we've added president. We add the whole people. Speakers. And then a lot of people. Let's try to edit photo. Edit all. So president was first. This is speaker. There's another speaker and another speaker. Then Ma'am Herminia. And a lot of them talking. And then let's add another one, which is the last photo. Now that's okay. And click on done. President is hidden. Anyway, that's it.